Have you ever seen a business without a logo? No, you've never seen that, because then it wouldn't be a business or a brand, and that's weird when people don't have a logo. Otherwise, it would just probably be
nothing.
So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to understand, plan, and design your logo for your business.
And actually, my name, you probably want to know who I am.
I'm Blogging Brandy, and this is Brand Like a Boss, aka BLABoss. That's what we do here, is we create brands. I teach you how to brand your business so that people will blab about it. So in this video, I am teaching you all about designing a logo, but you're gonna wanna stay tuned until the end of the video because I'm sharing something really, really important. We all know a logo is just one part of building your business. You still need to learn your font and your colors and pick out a name and write your tagline and all of the other things that come with branding your business. I'm gonna show you how to do all of that in a few easy steps and put it together in my Boss branding guide. Now, you can design a free logo just by Googling free logo maker, and I've tried a bunch of them, and some of them are better than others, but one of my personal favorite is Canva. If you've never used Canva, C-A-N-V-A, you can do almost anything in Canva. If you Google Canva logo maker, free logo maker, it'll help you generate a logo. www.canva.com, canva.com. You're like, well, I'm not a designer, I don't want to design, I don't have time to design. Well, maybe you want to run a contest. I've ran a contest, I think the website was called 99 Designs. If not, there is one called 99 Designs, I'm sure. But similar concept. You go out and you pretty much say like, hey, I want to design a logo. Here's what my business does. Here's some ideas. Maybe you give them some examples of ones that you like, some colors, some basic information. And people essentially compete to win your business. And you buy the rights to use their design for the logo that they've designed. So you're hiring some help to do that. You can go back and forth with them and say, oh, I don't like this, I want to change this. You can run the contest for a couple days or 10 days, 5 days, 2 days. And some of them you can choose like a price, whether you want to pay $100 or $50 or give them a bonus after the fact. There's all kinds of ways and services that you can use. Or you can use a company called Fiverr, F-I-V-E-R-R, Fiverr.com. They have things for essentially $5. You can get somebody to help design a logo for you for $5, and you can give them some instructions. Now, I will say you get what you pay for. Sometimes you'll get somebody and they do an amazing job, and sometimes you might want to pay a little bit more money and get a better logo designed or use a different service. I've done tons of things on Fiverr and had a really good experience, and sometimes I've done things on there, and like I say, you get what you pay for. Those are all places that I would check out. So now you know how to understand, plan, and essentially design a logo for your business. But that's only one part of the process. If you want to create your entire brand story, you're going to need to add in the other elements like your name and writing your tagline, picking out your colors, finding the perfect font. But don't you worry. So I've taken all of the hard work out of it and I've put everything into an amazing kit for you branding guides, my Boss branding guide, and you're going to want to get this. So you can pick up the guide. All you have to do is download it. Link below the video to pick up my Boss branding guide. I'm Blogging Brandy. This is BLABoss. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. I'm Brandy.